Sure, sneezing feels great, but there's a gross fact about it you might not know. When you sneeze, you're not just expelling air. It's a high-powered spray of 100,000 tiny droplets moving at up to 100 miles per hour. And those droplets, they can travel up to 26 feet away. That means your sneeze could land on your keyboard, your phone, or even your friend. But here's the kicker. Those droplets carry bacteria and viruses that can survive for hours or even days depending on the surface. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't let it fly. Cover it up. Your friends will thank you and so will the planet.